Hi there, welcome to Bro Billionaire. I wanted to quickly create a short video on how to effectively draw the price action levels. Now, most of the folks use Fibonacci, they use support and resistance, but this one method is a very effective method, and this will pay you lots and lots of money if you follow naked charts. All right, this was the I'm not using Fibonacci, but if you see this, these are my price action methods, which I show in my, usually I show it in every Nifty post analysis or what happens tomorrow market. Now, how do you draw this? If you see the levels, they are working accordingly, right? There's no magic signs. Even today, it came almost very close to the level and then pulled back, and see the levels, it took support. How do you draw this? Now, I won't waste your time. So this should be on 15 minutes time frame. And when you draw the levels, every 15 minutes, you can watch and keep updating these levels. If you have more lines, more clutter, which means that is a strong area of support and resistance, and do not trade. So please use your common sense. Now quickly, the important rule for this is, if there is a gap up, gap down, that will be the peak. I need not tell about that, but on 15 minutes, identify a top area. So top peak, this is the top peak, right? This is one peak. Now, on top of this candle, I'll enlarge it for you. See here, on top of this green candle, you should not have any other candles. I mean, obviously, when you're drawing, and the condition is you need to have two candles closing below, in whatever order it can be. It can be next to next like this, or it can be below. There should be two candles. Understood? Two candles. It should be a V shape. Same thing here. If you see here, this is one candle. From the bottom, there should be two candles closing above this. This forms a effective support and resistance. All right, I'm going to remove this. So that is a condition. And suppose if you have a next closest candle on the left hand side or the right hand side, up to wick to body or wick to wick. Usually I would prefer wick to body if it is close. So this range, these two lines are for me a selling zone. It forms a resistance. Similarly here, wick to body is my selling zone. Got it? So you had two candles closing below this, you have two candles closing below this. So here, watch this one. You have one candle. So you have on left hand side one green body closing. So here, this would become, you should use your imagination. Wick to body can come here, or this has come very close. So till here, this would be a support zone. Now, in reality, after marking this, where do you see the market went down? This is where market went down, right? So this will still be a resistance, wick to body. Now this will become a strong resistance for price to move up. Likewise, if you're coming, well, what are the other conditions? You have one here, but this has come above this. Since this is formed, you can keep wick to body. All right. And the next one is here. Watch this one. So when it is closer, you can just mark one line instead of marking the range. Now here, this was 26th November. This is 29th November. So this is today, 29th, after weekend. Where did the price face resistance? Do you see? One candle, two candle closing below, two candle closing below. This is one of the best way marking your levels, and same method can be used if you are a higher time frame trader. So this is 1-2 level. So can you mark here? Yes, this will become a strong support zone for tomorrow because two candles took support on 15 minutes. This is how you need to track it. Now you have one big candle going, two candles closing, two candle closing here. Yes, I would mark one level here and I would go next, and this is one support. So this week, entire week is a buying zone, week to week. Now this is a very big, so it's about 783, 93, 883, 93, around 150 points. So you need to imagination, go on the left hand side, see if there are more levels, mark them similar to this so that you can identify how market price action works. And this is one of the most versatile way of drawing price action methods, and it is always accurate. It's always accurate. Hope this helped. Thank you so much.